On 18th of August at around 11 a.m., a joint meeting was organized at Taralangso IB and discussed about the felicitation ceremony. The meeting was called by Hills People Cultural Forum, and as many as 24 different communities residing in Karbianglong attended the meeting. It was unanimously decided to host the felicitation ceremony on 21st of August at Sarsing Teron, Langkung Habe Town Hall, Deephu, to felicitate all the ceasefire militant outfit for joining the mainstream. As per the report, Hills People Cultural Forum is preparing to felicitate the public representatives, MP, MLA, CEM, EM, MSc, Padma Shri Rongbong Terang, Padma Shri Dhaneshwar Ingti, all the Karbi, Kuki, Dimasa militant outfit who ceased fire recently and joined the mainstream. To work together and to show unity in diversity, HPCF was founded in the year 2013. As many as 24 different communities residing in Karbianglong took the membership in HPCF. It is notable that in the year 2016, HPCF organized the Cultural Exchange Program to know better about the cultural of diverse community in the region. The people, irrespective of their community background, must stand together under one platform and support each other in problem or difficulties we encounter, says Laichan Ingle, advisor of Karbi Student Association.
Laso agenda ke wangpo Karbianglong akisung ko pipima. Laso akisung ko pipima pulote lake ilitum chethan chimum pensi ilitum labangke iprang goso si kemponima bangke lake chingwai pon bombo.
Hills People Cultural Forum appreciates and congratulates all the militant outfits for coming out to take part in the process of peace and development. Hills People Cultural Forum also appreciates the state government and central government for conferring doctorate degree to the CEM, Dr. Tuliram Ronghang. On 21st August, Hills People Cultural Forum will felicitate him for his outstanding contribution for bringing peace and harmony and also his giving towards education, said Laichan Ingleng, KSA advisor.
Ilitum dak government ahin akijapon Dr. Tuliram Ronghang alangli title ka chelong. Lake alangli peace lapen education na puthakpen. Lasi insam jin pen alangli award kelong aputhaksi nilitum 21 tarik August la 2022 bangke dak Sarsing Teron Langkung Habi auditorium hall arlo la so hall arlo bangke nilitum alangli tumpan peace kiwang tumpan an karcho ponji.
He also invited the public, all associations, organizations and journalists to grace the event. News Desk report, Karbianglong Live.